What's up, everybody? This is John Rosania with the Clean Program. Today I wanted to share with you a shake recipe, what I call the evening shake. This is really for those people who expressed interest in wanting to change their shakes around a little bit or having something warm and comforting in the evenings. So how we're going to do this is, usually for the base we use water, almond milk, or coconut water. What we're going to use today is we're going to use a base of tea. Okay, so this is warm brewed tea that we just made. What we're using here is Tulsi or holy basil. It's one of my favorite Ayurvedic teas. So we're going to use a cup and a half of that. And by using a tea as your base, you're really maximizing the nutrition of your shake. So we have the Tulsi in there right now. Feel free to use simple things like peppermint, or there's some great other herbs you can use, like pau d'arco is a really great antifungal herb that you can put in your shake as well. So then after that, we have our first thing. Then next we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. There we go. Now, coconut oil is great with a warm tea because when you blend that up, it's going to make it really frothy. It's going to make it a bit like, sometimes you have like sort of coffee latte. It's going to be similar to that. So we're going to put that on there and we're going to blend. Okay, so we just blended that up, and if you can see now, what we have here is, it's almost like a milky substance. So you're gonna have your tea plus the good fats that come from the coconut oil. So you can add that. Then, next we're gonna add in our 2 shake powders, which we put in all our shakes. We're gonna do a scoop of Nourish. The Nourish scooper is much bigger than the Move scooper, remember that. Then we're gonna do a tiny bit of Move, 1 scooperful. And that's pretty much it. Then you'll blend that up and you'll have a great, warm, comforting smoothie. So you can add a few more things to your evening shake. One of the things I love to add is Brazil nuts. So you can add 2 or 3 Brazil nuts, and these will give it a nice milky texture and also add a few more calories to your shake. So you have that. Then I love to add just a tiny bit of stevia. This is gonna round out the flavor, give it a little bit of sweetness. Throw a tiny bit of that in there. And then we're gonna throw in a little bit of cinnamon. Cinnamon's one of my favorite things to put in. It'll help digest, and at the same time, it adds a little bit of sweetness and a really great flavor. So now we'll blend that up. Okay, so this is gonna be the perfect kind of drink to have in the evening with a friend or a loved one or your spouse. Check this out. It's almost like a chocolate smoothie, some kind of latte. It's real thick and milky, and it's got some really good fat in it from the coconut oil, and it's warm, so you can have this as a really warm, nourishing drink in the evening time. So I hope you enjoy it, and if you have more questions or need more information on recipe ideas or shake ideas, you can check out cleanprogram.com/recipes.